bit of an unboxing here. I sold some saws a while back, so I bought more saws with that. I put a poll on my YouTube account of what saw I should buy, and everyone voted. Most people voted for the Pioneer 1420, but by the time I was done, that saw had been sold. So the runner-up is the one I want. So we will open this box and see what's in here. If I can find my knife. Packing materials. A nice, looks like a Windsor bar. That's a Windsor bar. Needs some work, but it's actually in not bad shape. Perfectly serviceable. Semi-chisel chain, that might go in the bush. I'm not with semi-chisel chains. I've got one saw. There's a second saw in here. So, one box, two saws. So this saw right here is the one I was going for. A lot of people don't like these saws, but to me it's kind of an iconic saw. I just wanted one in the stable. This guy is. So obviously this is a Poulan 3400 counter vibe. Brushing seems okay. I have to dig into this thing, make sure everything's kosher with it. Yeah, it's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, that's saw number one. This one, it was basically a free saw because of the combined shipping. I don't know why I wanted this one, but I did. But it is a Poulan 2550 Silver Edition. That's got good compression as well. So yeah, two new saws to play with. Hope everyone's having a great Friday. I know I am. Take it easy.